This is Lopua Model. Welcome to my channel today. You can see the rain. The rain just decided to come today around 1 o'clock p.m. here in Arizona City. I live in Arizona City in the U.S. I live in the U.S. here at Arizona State. You can see the rain. It just came this morning. I'm so excited. I decided to come out of the house and then take the video. You can see it is just finishing up. Yeah, I'm so excited. Look at the rain. I'm just excited. There you are. You can see the rain. This is Lopua Model. This is just my neighborhood here. This is my house. I'm taking at the backyard. I'm just taking my front yard here too. The front yard of Lopua Model's house. I'm just taking the rain. The rain just started. Usually we don't have rain here in Arizona, especially here in Arizona City. I'm so excited that today we have rain in Arizona City. You can see, so yeah, it is just dripping from the roof, almost just finishing up. Welcome to Lopua Model's channel. I just decided that I have to film this because it was really important that I had rain today. It is just almost finishing up. Yeah. As you can hear, the clouds, the thunder, that's the thunder, the drops from these are just the drops from the roof, little bit of drops. It's actually finishing. It's almost getting finished. Oh, thank you God for today, that you brought us rain. We suffered a lot with a lot of heat, but today you decided to bless Arizona, or bless Arizona City where I live. You have blessed it with your water, with your rain. Thank you so much, God. Look at that. Yeah, it is just dripping, almost finishing up. Yeah. Yeah, it is just finishing up. You can hear thunderstorms. You can hear thunderstorms there. Yeah. Blessed with the rain today. Our plants at least have got a little bit of rain there. Wow. I'm just at the front yard of my house here. I'm just at the front place. You can't see me, but I'm just showing you the wet areas of the rain. There is just almost finishing up. Yeah, you can hear the storm. You can see the clouds. Yeah, it is just finishing up. Yeah, just a little bit of rain. I'm happy to see the rain. I'm just at the front yard here, at my front yard. Just seeing the rain, really. It's like a miracle coming today. Oh my God, look at my flowers almost drying, but now, just a little bit of this rain, maybe just helping a bit. Yeah, it is just a little bit dripping here. Yeah. Yeah. We knew that the rain will come because the weather forecast was actually alerting people in Arizona City that it may rain. And it just rained when I'm still here. I'm supposed to be preparing to go to work, but I enjoyed this little rain actually coming through. I'm so excited. Yeah, it seems to be coming back. The rain seems to be coming back. I don't know. You can see some droplets they are going. Yeah. Very, very, very happy. I am so happy to see the rain. It may continue until late, maybe until late at night. This is so beautiful. Really beautiful. We are so blessed today. Yeah, so blessed today. In this afternoon. Yeah, if you just came in, this is Lopua Modo's channel. I just came out from my house to see the rain, just to see the dropping of the rain. This is Lopua Modo's channel, and I want to say good morning in that part of the world, good afternoon, good evening, and good night if you are in that part of the world. I just wanted to show you the rain, because this is the first time. It has been a long time. Since last year, actually, we did not have rain at all. Yeah. But today we were so blessed that the rain actually decided to come. So I decided to come out just to see, to show you some drops of rain coming to our place. Look at that. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yeah. Please try to subscribe to this channel. This is Lopua Modo's channel. Yeah. Try to subscribe, comment, and thank you so much for the people who have been coming actually to watch my video. And I thank you so much. Thank you so much for actually watching my videos. And please try to subscribe it. Yeah, subscribe it. Yeah. And I will bring more videos to you. So, yeah. I'm just, if you just came in, I'm trying actually, yeah, to video the rain. The rain just came. The rain just came here in Arizona City, where actually I live. And I just came out to show you some of it is almost clearing up. Just a few drops coming, but we're expected to have more rain according to the weather forecast. As you can see, the clouds are actually building up. We may have a heavy storm coming. So as you can see, it is still dropping up a bit. Yeah, you can see the rain. I'm so happy. I thought I can share with you actually this beautiful rain. It is like a miracle for us here because usually we don't get rain at all. Yeah, we don't get rain. We don't get rain. But today I was so excited. I had to rush from the house to come to my front yard here to take actually the video. And thank you for watching. This was like a miracle to me. I'm so happy. Today is Sunday. We prayed so hard for the rain to come. We prayed so hard for this rain to come. And today we were so blessed. Today we were so blessed. Thank you, God. Thank you so much. My flowers were all dry. And my backyard, my lemons almost dying off. I hope this little rain actually can do some miracles. Yeah. You can see there. Yeah. Just the rain. We are so blessed today. Okay. Look at that. More rain coming. More rain coming. If you just dropped in, I'm just here at my backyard trying actually to take some pictures of the rain because I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see this rain. Look at that. Yeah, it is still dropping. Wow. I think it is going to continue like this actually for the whole evening, maybe all the way to the night. As you can see the clouds there.